Hello, today I will be going over the Network tab on the Graph Explorer, just going over a bit of information. This is on Arbitrum 1, and on the left side here it just goes over indexers. They've total stake, self-stake is 691 million. They've earned 93 million rewards. They've claimed 400,000 GRT in query fees, and it shows there are 110 indexers currently. If you scroll down a little bit, um, it'll show there's 1.7 billion in delegation currently. You can hover over these numbers to get the exact figures, or these little eye kind of clarifies more information. It shows that of the total stake, they've earned rewards of 107 million plus, 142,000 plus in query fees, and it shows there's over 176,000 delegators currently. And then if you scroll down a little bit further, shows there 795 curators. Um, of that, 6 million is allocated on auto migrate signal, which is basically when the subgraph updates, that signal will migrate to the next version, the newest version from the old version. And there is some curation still on the old versions, approximately 13,000 worth, and a little bit over 6 million total. Of this, the curators earned a little over 52,000 GRT total. When you scroll back up, this is kind of a rolling average of query fees paid out throughout the network, and you can hover over each month to kind of get a figure for that particular month. And this figure shows the annual issuance is about 317 million GRT at an issuance rate of 2.89%. Looks like roughly over 3 billion minted on Arbitrum and 121 million burned, which is through taxes, through subgraph updates, delegation tax, curation tax, and different taxes within the protocol. And this just shows the protocol parameters. You get 10% currently for curation. The slashing percentage is shown here at 2.5%. The max epoch allocation for indexers is 28 epochs, which is almost approximately 28 days. So indexers can't have allocations on subgraphs open beyond that, or other subject to having them closed by someone. The thawing period, if you were to undelegate, is set to 28 days, and you can also click on these eyes to get more information. Over here shows the current epoch and how much time's left. So this one has 32 minutes left, and within this epoch, 6.1, about a little over 6,000 query fees were earned, and 737,000 GRT indexing rewards. It shows the start block, the current block, and the end block for this particular epoch. And you could also view all the epochs information. It has the most current one in this biggest block, and then also has the numbers counting down. So you can kind of view this starting blocks and end blocks, and kind of view each epoch, how much query fees were earned and indexing rewards were earned, and kind of see throughout time if they're increasing or decreasing. And that, in a nutshell, is the network tab. It's probably updating, so it's good to check this every once in a while to get your stats. Thank you.